Tada! Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your Pluto here, and I'm wearing this outfit for my dance practice. Yesterday I had choose a song because I like the choreography of that song. Can you guess the song? That is Lee Seraphim Hot song, and always used to learn the dance by their dance practice videos because they are clear and you can easily saw their steps clearly. First I tried to learn it in 0.2x speed in slow speed by seeing their steps so clear. Today I am going to show you how I will practice and learn my dance so easily. So it's 3 p.m. and it's afternoon. The weather is so nice today and I'm ready for my dance practice. I raised my mobile brightness, which helped me to see their steps so clear, and I always used to learn that steps at the high quality of their dance practice videos. And of course, one thing is this is the favorite place of my home. I also shoot my dance videos here and do practice here because this is the most spacious part of my house, and we have to do the dance or dance practice in the spacious areas. So first I'm trying to learn that dance at the slow speed 0.2x speed from the YouTube, or you can also download the video and practice it in your gallery if you are offline. If any dance is new to me, then I try to see and recognize the moves at slow speed. That is very helpful to me to learn the dance quickly, and that is the method I use to learn dance fast in only 2 days or 1 day. Now I'm going to do it at normal speed. After doing same steps again and again, you can find that choreography will stuck in your mind, and now you are able to do it in one flow at the normal speed, and you're also enjoying the dance. That is called the practice. I have done it the same dance so many times, and now I'm so tired. It's 4 p.m. and now I'm doing the dance without seeing it because I want to know that how much I can learn. Now I was so tired and I don't put my whole dance practice in the one video because that makes my video so long. So I have cut it down the practices which I have done so many times. So now let me explain you the steps. So 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, 1 and jump 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5. Okay. Okay, now this is the last time I'm going to do my dance practice and judge myself where I had made mistakes, or is there any mistakes I would like to correct it because I want to done it so clearly and in the better way that you all guys did not dislike the dance. I just tried to make my dance better by practice it so many times. That helps me to make the dance better. You know, one thing I want to tell you guys that this dance is really so cool, and I'm really enjoying while doing it and while learning it. After learning this dance, I really like to do it because the moves are so cool and so clear and also so easy. But the toughest part is the last dance break for me. That is so quickly, and there are so many changing steps at the dance break, and but I really like to done it. Now it's 5 p.m. and this takes 2 hours to learn this dance. Yay! I'm ready to perform it. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. This is how I can learn my dance. So thank you so much. Bye. I love you. Please like, subscribe to my channel.